Alrighty, this is section 9.6, surface area and volume of spheres. We're doing both in one day. So let's start up with the definition of a sphere. A sphere is simply a perfectly round ball. A hemisphere is just half of a sphere, or a sphere that is cut in half. So we have our formulas for surface area and volume of a sphere. Surface area is SA, or S, is equal to 4 pi r squared. And the formula for volume is V equals 4 over 3 times pi r cubed. Notice for volume we have r cubed, but for surface area we have r squared. Alrighty, let's use these formulas. Example number 1. Find the surface area of the sphere. Our volume for surface area, what we are trying to find, is SA is equal to 4 pi r squared. All we need to plug in here is r. So look for our radius in our picture. It's given to us to be 8 inches. So if we plug in 8 for our radius, we get 4 times pi times 8 squared. Remember, 8 squared is 64, so 4 times pi times 64 gives me 803.8. I'm going to round that up to 804. And my units for surface area are inches squared. Example number 2. Estimate the volume of air in a beach ball that has a 12-inch diameter. So our beach ball is a perfect sphere, and it wants us to find the volume. So the formula we will use is V equals 4 over 3 times pi r cubed. But again, all we need to know is r, our radius. So it gives us a diameter here of 12 inches, but we need to know our radius, which is just half of that. So our radius is 6 inches. So we're going to plug in 6. So we have 4 over 3 times pi 6 cubed. So we can plug this into our calculator. And you should get a total of 904 if you round to the nearest whole number. Remember, if you did not get this as your answer, there is a possibility that you plugged it in wrong to your calculator. If that's the case, pause, try and figure it out, and then come back. But if you did get 904, remember our units for volume are inches cubed because we are talking about volume and not surface area. Alrighty, you are responsible for the checkpoint below, finding the surface area and volume. It gives you a line for surface area. The second line, where it says A, cross that out, put V for volume. You're responsible for those two things for tomorrow.